Hello, myself Premonan Pillai. Welcome to my channel and please press bell icon for latest update and please subscribe my channel for latest videos. Okay. Today I will tell you, this is a part 2 video, and today I will tell you how to add roles and features for the Exchange Server 2010 through command prompt. It's really easy. First you must have a Exchange Server folder that is downloaded. I just downloaded this file. And extracted here, that is present in my desktop. Just click here, and now I will copy this to my C drive. Copy, just cutting this, no need of, and I will paste this in C drive. Here we go. It will take some time. It's completed. Now I will find a folder that is scripts. Yes, here it is, and I will check for some XML files. These are the files it will run through the command. You can see here there are so many XML documents. Now I will just click here and copy this path. You can see C Exchange Server 2010 SP3 scripts, and I will just minimize this. Just go here and go to command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Now I will do only one thing, just copy here, edit and paste. You can see okay, there's an error. Okay, cd space paste. You can see I just put cd. You must put cd and then paste here. Now the cursor is in scripts. Okay, now you can just put dir. You can see there are so many files. Actually these files are in that folder, and now I will type a command. Okay, I just go to scripts. You are novels in this sector, just do simple things like this. Okay, now I will type server MANAGER server manager CMD space hyphen IP space exchange and just type typical dot xml. I'm actually installing a typical version of Exchange Server, so I just type typical. You have so many other options, and this one is great for me. And now I will press enter. You can see here starting installation. Here it is, it's just going on. Okay, you can now see a restart is needed and this installation succeeded. And now I will just restart this. Okay, restart -R -E and I think it is restart. Actually it is not restarting, there is no issue. I'm just closing this and restarting. Thank you for watching. I will post my next video as soon as possible.